Good morning children, I am Preeti Kumar. Today we are going to learn about the chapter 9 using list, images and links. In the previous session children we have learned about an unordered list. Today we are going to learn about ordered list. The ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. It indents and give a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as the numbered list. The list begins and ends with OL open tag and OL close tags respectively. Ordered lists are mostly used in situations where order of the item is significant or where it is required to keep account of the number of items. For example, in a recipe, if the steps are not demonstrated orderly, the end result would not be as desired. Now, there are various attributes that are specifically used with an ordered list. Start attribute, reversed attribute, and type attribute. What is a start attribute? This attribute specifies the start value of the item from which an ordered list should start. By default, lists start at 1. Example, OL start is equal to 3. Here, the ordered list numbering will start from 3. Reversed attribute. This attribute, when used on the OL element, allows a list to appear in the reverse order, descending order. The reverse attribute is Boolean attribute and has as such it does not accept any value. It is either true or false. False is the default value. The value becomes true when the attribute reversed appears on the OL element. The type attribute. The type attribute specifies the type of numbering and bullet used to mark items in an ordered and unordered list respectively. By default, its value is 1 for an ordered list and disk for an unordered list. As already you have understood about this disk attribute in your last session. Now, how this type works? Number style and its results and its description. If we use type A, then the result will come in as a B, C and in uppercase letters. If you use a small a, then it will appear as A, B, C. Your list will appear in A, B, C lowercase letters. This is Roman number. So, Roman 1, 2, 3 uppercase Roman numbers will appear. Small I or 1 lowercase Roman numbers will come. 1, 1, 2, 3 sequence of numbers default. If you will not specify any number style, then automatically the list will take 1, 2, 3. Let us see the example. Here I have created one HTML page coding. In this coding you see this in the head part, head, title, and the title name I have given characters. Title is characters and head. In the head I have defined the HTML head, title, and head is closed here. Now the body begins. Body BG color light green, font color red and size 6. I want my heading should be in red color and its size should be 6 and it should be bold, italic also. Now this much all of you know. Here I am going to create an ordered list. So for the ordered list, which tag we have to use? OL tag, ordered list tag. So you have to write OL like this, then you have to write LI to create a list, LI tag, then you have to write integrity, LI and selfishness, then LI understanding, and I have closed this LI tag, and then at the end you have to close OL tag, then font, then body, and then HTML. Let us see its result. So first what you have to do, you have to say save as, because already I have saved this file. So I have to click on save, and let us see its result. Click on this and you see the result. Character is a combination of integrity, unselfishness, understanding. You see children, automatically the list is created as 1, 2, 3. This is default list. If you will not define anything with the OL, then it will automatically give the number 1, 2, 3. Now we will use the other attribute, that is type. So with the OL we will write the attribute type and give its value as capital A. Let's see the result. So now I'll say save, and run my program. You see, automatically the list has come as A, B, C. So this is the first attribute. Next, now I type small a, then what will happen? Say save, and now see, I will open this, then automatically the list numbering is changed as A, B, C. I hope all of you understand. Next, now I am going to change this as a Roman number, capital Roman numbers. So I have typed alphabet I, you have to save first, you have to save it because I have made a change here. Now open. So see, automatically numbering is changed as Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers. Now I will change here as a small Roman numbers. So just I type small I here and say save. Let us see the result. Let us see the result. The list has come as 1, 2, 3. Now children, we are going to see the another attribute, that is start. I hope all of you understand how the list numbering you can change with the help of type attribute. Now the another attribute which I are going to add, that is start. So we have to start, where we have to write the start? After type. Then is equal to, give its value. Suppose I want to start my list from 3. So I have to type this number 3 here. So it will take the results from 3. So now I suppose I will take this 1 here by default. So let us see what changes will appear. Say save, open, and you see the list is started from 3, 4, 5. So this type the start works. Now the another thing, you can start same. If you want to do with the alphabet, you can do it like this. So as soon as you type A and you suppose you write here 3, so what will happen? It will start from, just see the result, then you will automatically understand. Safe see, it starts from alphabet C, D, E. Means 1 is for A, 2 is for B, but we have specified as a 3. So it will take the alphabet from C, D, E. So children, please, you can see all the result. This is C, D. Then here with the number you can make a changes. This is the another result where we have used Roman numbers. This is the capital Roman numbers, and here simple in the ABC form. So children, you practice and do your work in your note